So very good afternoon to each one of you, and this is my pleasure uh, being a SAS faculty from Ultramax. I'm representing Ultramax and I'm welcoming you all on this beautiful Saturday afternoon for this introductory session of Ultramax and SAS programming training. So as you might be aware about what SAS is, but still being freshers, I would like to introduce to you with SAS and what the career patterns you have within SAS. But moving ahead, I would like a small brief understanding from you all that are you all freshers?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And you all are freshers from biotech or from life sciences?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Biotech?
Yes, ma'am. MSc
And
in
from
biotechnology.
which university?
Not Maharashtra.
Okay, great. So thank you everyone showing your interest for joining for this introductory session. So to begin with, let's get introduced first to understand about Ultramax. So as I said you, it's like I'm really delighted to welcome you all with Ultramax, and you will be learning SAS with Ultramax. So it will be a very good journey of learning SAS with Ultramax. And of course, I will be getting associated with you as one of your faculties. And I would love to know you people and would love to train you into the same technology. So Ultramax is not new to the market. We are into market since 2 decades, and we are one of the pioneers into Indian market for SAS public trainings since 2007. Okay, so apart from SAS, Ultramax is also very well known for Red Hat training and other IT trainings as well. So apart from IT trainings, Ultramax is also into healthcare software, CRM, that is customer relationship management. We are also with 3D printing. We are also into tensile structures and our other services as well. So just brief understanding and introduction to Ultramax. Of course, you might have also seen our website, but I would like to represent myself as Ultramax to introduce to you that because even you are going to get associated with Ultramax to know what we are into and what we serve into. And of course, we are very much proud that our students are working with leading firms of India like Infosys, TCS, Wipro, Citel. Of course, not only IT firms, but also pharma firms, CRO firms, and banking sectors as well. Of course, in coming future, once you are associated with us, you'll be coming to know more among them. And for more details, to look our alumni and to look our testimonials of our students, you can always visit our website. So IT technical staffing and data analysis is also one of our arm. And we are very much proud that we provide IT staffing and data analysis services to the esteemed organization named as DES, that is Director of Economics and Statistics, which is one of the department in Mantralaya of Maharashtra in Mumbai. We also are consultant with ICICI Bank and of course Red Hat in Pune. Yes, so once you are getting trained with us, you may have opportunities to work as consultants in any of these organizations, which are our vendors. So this is just an understanding about Ultramax. Now let's move ahead to understand about SAS. Now understanding about SAS, let's first get to know what SAS stands for. So it termed as Statistical Analytics System. So because it's a system, it's comprised of various softwares. and many of its softwares of SaaS are leaders in data management and analytic solutions, and they give the entire analytic life sciences. So in SaaS, one can have data accessing done, data preparation done, quality of data is also maintained, and of course, you can save the data as catalogs. We can also have advanced flows of data information in governance. So SAS, yes, provides the system for government organizations where the data security plays the important role and it follows the standards of governances. That's what it means. Apart from it, it's one of the leading analytical tool in visualization and reporting. You can also have AI, that is your artificial intelligence and chatbot done into SAS. Of course, statistical analysis. You can also have ML, that is machine learning and deep learning. Data optimization. We can also have econometrics done within SAS. And of course, models created for data, for monitoring data, and of course, forecasting data. So because of all these features, SAS is the leader in business intelligence and analytics area. Okay. So yes, if you have got understood why SAS, now let's understand what would be the SAS profiles one can have as a career. One can work as SAS analyst, SAS programmers, customer analytics manager, and also as a decision analyst. Now, depends on your qualification and your work profile and which domain you would be working. Accordingly, this job profiles will be forecasted for you. So some of the common careers into SAS would be, if you are purely into technical base with technical knowledge of data warehousing, you can work as data administrator. Of course, you can also work as a data warehouse architect, data warehouse specialist, ETL specialist. You can also be working as developer. But if you're good into report generations and into understanding the trend of data, you can work as business analyst. So financial analyst is similar as business analyst, but it is correlated something with your domain. So if you're working into banking sector or into financial sector, you can work as a financial analyst because SAS has those powerful tools which are good into financial analytics. Apart from it, yes, into marketing sector, marketing analysts, security, yes, it's about data security, hence it's called a securities analyst. You can work as a SAS programmer. Statistician, if you're from a statistics background with with a BSc stats, MSc stats, or even you might have done MPhil or PhD in some statistic topics, you can also work as a statistician because SAS is basically a statistical analytics system. Of course, data quality, clinical data programmer. Yes, this is one of the very most trending and upcoming job opportunities where you freshers can look ahead, where with the domain knowledge and with SAS programming techniques, you can work as a clinical data programmer. Of course, report programmer and database programmer. So when it comes to programmer, it's mostly that you are going to make use of one of the arm or one of the softwares of SAS called as a programming environment of SAS, where you'll be working or writing programs for data analysis and data reporting. So for that, what is to be needed is need to upgrade with SAS programming. But before moving into what you'll be learning with SAS and all those things, let's understand how is the market trend for freshers and their job profile or their salaries. So this is one of the screenshots where I would like to introduce to you for Glassdoor, where it's showing that this is the job opportunities and the salary pay package in India, which is a gross salary between, I could say, 3 lakhs to 5.5 lakhs is the starting pay package for clinical SAS programmers in India. So I'm just giving you tentatively this range. So Glassdoor has already given you that this is the highly convenience paid for freshers. So it could be average 27,000 to 30,000 in hand for a freshers per month to be paid by the companies. All good? So as in though you can start as a junior SAS programmers and you can work into this up till senior data analyst, and of course, salary is no bar. Okay, so this is the trend which Glassdoor always shows. Moving ahead, this is another screenshot about Naukri.com. It's just trying to tell you or show you that what are the various openings as freshers for SAS programmers. So this is with Quanticate, this is with Clinovo. Of course, there is ECO also. So there are many more else list of such organizations where they are looking for freshers as a job profile to work as clinical SAS programmers. All good up till now? So what is clinical SAS programming and what you'll be learning? So in clinical SAS programming, most of you would be learning is base SAS, advanced SAS, clinical trial processes. And of course, all what you have learned with base and advanced, you'll be implementing in standard data consortium, some norms which have been put forward by FDI, your Federal Drug Association of USA, to accept the data so that it has been used further for taking the decision for the drug to be marketed or to be accepted by the consortium, and hence then it is allowed or it's given the permission to get marketed. So it is to be put forward by using some of the standards called as STDM. Then we are going to write programs to create this type of data formats by writing programs using the concepts of base and advanced, understanding clinical trial process and the data. We'll be using all this combination to create the data accordingly. Then of course, ADAM, it is also one of the form of data presentation. TLFs, that is your table listings and figures. So you'll be generating reports into table format, into listing and figures that is in graphical forms. And of course, apart from this, you are also going to be introduced to 5 therapeutic area case studies, which includes one of the case studies. I won't tell you all the details, but yes, it could be case studies related to cancer, oncology, dermatology. You can also have clinical data for this STDM and ADM to be represented is about rheumatoid arthritis and many more. So I hope this is all clear. Any questions? Is English fine or should I go with Marathi? Yes, Ketan and others. Jagdish, Kalyani, Mayur.
Yes, ma'am.
Are you comfortable? Okay, good. Apart from this, what we would be also, you will be benefiting once you get or you are getting trained with Ultramax is your training features will include that your trainer is going to be an experienced and certified faculty. It is not going to be a pre-recorded session. It's going to be live instructor-led training. You will get course material. You'll get interview preparations done from our end. And of course, you'll be getting placement assistance from our end. So these are some of the key features which you will be getting from us once you are getting trained with Ultramax. Apart from it, any questions? येस, नो, कळलंय, नाही कळलंय,
Ma'am,
बोल.
in LTTM, ADAM and TLFs,
Mm-hmm.
you will teach overlook or in-depth knowledge.
It's not going to be an overlook. It's going to be proper training, in-depth training. Yeah, I hope you might have seen our syllabus, which was
Yes,
been
ma'am.
shared by Menka.
Yes.
Yes, so all those topics will be covered. So it's not at all an overview. Okay. Apart from this, any other question? Kalyani, Mayur, questions आहे काही? Jagdish, all good?
मॅम लाईव्ह लेक्चर्स नंतरचे रेकॉर्ड सेशन असतील
हा,
तर ते म्हणजे कुठे अवेलेबल असतात?
ते तुम्हाला प्रोव्हाइड करू आम्ही, यू डोंट वरी. आम्ही ते आपलं झूमवरनं ट्रेनिंग होणार, झूमवर रेकॉर्डिंग होणार. ते रेकॉर्डिंग आम्ही आमच्या युट्यूब चॅनलवर अपलोड करू आणि तुमच्या बॅचनुसार तुम्हीच फक्त तुमच्या क्लासचे रेकॉर्डिंग्स पाहू शकता.
ओके मॅम.
Okay, so those recordings will be available for you, but there is some time limit also for that. The training झाल्यावर post training max 2 months those recordings are available for you to view it. कारण का ऑलरेडी तुम्हाला ट्रेनिंग मटेरियल दिलेलं असतं, तर त्या मटेरियलवर पण तुम्ही प्रेपरेशन्स करू शकता. बट इन केस इफ यू राईट मेल टू अस दॅट यू वॉन्ट टू व्ह्यू मोर, यू वॉन्ट टू एक्सटेंड द ड्युरेशन ऑफ रेकॉर्डिंग्स टू बी वॉच टाइम, आम्ही ते वाढवून देऊ तुम्हाला. So there is not a problem. All good?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Apart from this, any other queries? Yes. Mayur, Kalyani?
No, ma'am.
No? All good?
All good.
Great. Ketan?
मॅम ऍज अ फ्रेशर्स कंपनी कोणत्या रोलवर आपल्याला हायर करते?
So very good question. तर हे मी तुम्हाला जे ग्लासडोअरचा आणि नोकरीचं ओपनिंग्स दाखवली, यू विल ऑलवेज स्टार्ट युअर करिअर ॲज अ ज्युनियर SAS प्रोग्रामर. Okay?
Okay.
So because you are freshers, you'll be starting as a junior SAS programmer. Some companies call it as junior SAS programmer. Some companies take it as SAS programmer engineer. Some companies will also name it as SAS programmers as well. So actually it is like SAS programmer level 1, level 2, level 3. So when it is junior, that means you are a SAS programmer level 1. And you'll get a package start between 3.5 lakhs as a fresher. So that's what it's showing you. So even this was with Naukri, even with Glassdoor, it's telling you the same thing. All good?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Apart from it, any other questions? No? Everyone? All good?
Yes, ma'am.
So is it good to conclude our day?
Yes, ma'am.
So don't
ma'am.
worry. Yeah, tell me.
बॅच किती तारखेपासून चालू होणार ते?
So Menka, can you just come up and tell when are we starting our batch and what would be the timing? Menka? I think she might have conveyed to you that the batch will be starting on 10th of July from morning 10 to 12. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
So to continue, so we can always meet at 10th of July at morning 10 a.m. Menka will be in continuous contact with you if you need any type of assistance. She is there. Before the class starts, there are certain things which I'll be giving or mailing you within the group, which you need to use it during the training. Okay, so that will be guided. Don't worry. Yeah, tell me.
Any specific configuration of laptop required?
No, there is no such configuration of laptop required. Only thing is you should have a good internet connectivity.
Okay, ma'am.
Internet connectivity, and you should have a very good headphones so that you can concentrate and listen to your classes. There will be ample of time provided for you for practice as well. We'll be giving you the databases for practice. We'll be giving you the PDF books also.
Okay.
Okay. Apart from this, any questions? Kalyani, Jagdish. Okay, so in case there are no questions, we can conclude our day. On the first day, then we will start about what SAS is and how we'll be working on it. Okay, so let's meet on 10th and I'm really happy and congratulations that you are selecting SAS as your career opportunity. So welcome you all for SAS, into SAS world. So see you. Bye. Take care.
Thank you, ma'am.